western Carroll County in east central Ohio, northern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cigar Creek, or near Dover, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Philadelphia, Dover, and Strasburg around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mineral City, Zoar, Peril, Bolivar, and Malvern. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 94. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. This is no